Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Crompton Bliss 3-liter instant water heater. This is basically a water heating geyser. It has a capacity of 3 liters and has a power wattage of 3 kilowatts. It also comes with 2 years of warranty. And you also see an image of what this particular water heater looks like. Let's take a look at some of the features listed on this box. It says it comes with powerful heating, rust and shock proof body, 4 level of extra safety, stainless steel tank for longer life, 6.5 bar rated pressure, and elegant and sleek design. It is also ISI certified. And as I mentioned earlier, it comes with 2 years of warranty. Do we have any more information? Just the manufacturer information on this end. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. This is what you will find inside the box. This is the Crompton Bliss 3-liter water heater, basically a geyser that you fit in your bathroom. So this is made out of ABS plastic. This is made out of very solid ABS plastic. It's not going to break anytime soon. Okay, and we have some features mentioned over here. This is of course a power cable. You will have to attach a 3-pin power socket to it. Not just that, this is the pipe for the outlet. Let me show you quickly. A little tightly wound here. Yeah, there you go. This is the pipe for the outlet, and this is your metallic inlet pipe right over here. Do we have anything more? The 2 indicators at the front. This will basically let you know when your water has been heated. We also have a couple of documents here. This is the instruction manual for the Crompton Bliss instant water heater, which you should read at least once, very carefully in fact. And we also have this particular map for when you want to drill on the wall. So this is a good map to have. You can use this to make the correct measurements. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Crompton Bliss 3-liter instant water heater. Thank you for watching.